Welcome! If you love reliving your favorite moments on Facebook, you'll definitely want to make sure you never miss a memory. Today, I'll show you how to enable Memories push notifications for your Facebook page on your PC, all with the latest update. This way, you'll get notified every time Facebook brings up those special throwbacks and highlights. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. Now, from the drop-down menu, select the page you want to manage. Once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. Next, it's time to access your settings. Look for the option that says Settings and Privacy. You'll find it in the menu on the left or sometimes under a drop-down, depending on your layout. Click on it, and then select Settings from the next menu that appears. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Notifications section. Click on Notifications to open up all the different notification options available for your page. Here's where the magic happens. Find the Memories option in the list. Click on it, and you'll see the option to enable push notifications. Simply toggle the switch to turn on push notifications for Memories. That's it. Now, whenever Facebook has a memory to share from your page, you'll get a push notification right on your device. It's the perfect way to stay connected with your past posts, milestones, and all those moments worth celebrating. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Facebook tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your memories.